Hi everyone, welcome to another session of Power BI tutorials. So as part of previous video, I have shown you creating the functions with optional argument and mandatory argument. As part of this video, I just want to define the data type of the argument as well as the optional argument. Okay, so I'm going for defining the same here. Say new query, blank query. I'm going to home and advanced data. As I told you, when I say argument as number, it becomes the mandatory argument. Mandatory argument, right? If you don't supply, if you don't provide the value, see, it is saying please specify a value for x. Okay, so now, how can I bypass this providing the value to the argument? So you have to add a keyword before argument name, that is nothing but you just say optional. When you say like this, so you can invoke, but you see it is giving the null value. Okay, so how can I avoid giving the null value? Rather than giving the null value, I just want to make sure when it is a null value, you just return 0 rather than returning the null value. Let's do that. Let's say val equal to if x equal to null, then 0, otherwise same x, comma, seems not otherwise, you just say x else. Okay, so now when I say done, when I go for executing without providing any value, you should see again null is coming. Let's check. I think I have not added the value here. I am still adding x only. Okay, now I have to change this value, right? I should say val here, not the x. Now it should come correct. Now you see, you are seeing the 10 value, value 10. So why 10 value 10 is, we have just added that value. It's a hard coded value. When we are not supplying anything, so it is going to be 0. 0 plus 10 is 10. Okay, so far we have just seen passing the values, creating a function without mandatory, and defining the name of the, defining the type of the parameter and everything. So far we have just written even a single value, to say either an integer or a text. We have written only these values. We have not written any table type values. Okay, so let's go ahead and define m functions for returning the table type return types. Let's say blank query, go here, now say x as number, y as a number, say addition equal to x plus y. Let's say subtraction equal to x minus y. Now here we have to, here we are going to return this as a table object. So say table dot from rows okay. So you can see the intelligence here. We need to take this one. Addition is one value, subtraction is other one, comma, we have to define column names as, let's say add, comma, subtract. This is how we have to define the, I think this is a self-explanatory. So you can see we are adding the x value and y value and we are assigning it to the add variable, and we are doing the same for the other one, subtraction as well. Okay, let's go ahead and say done. Say 10 comma say 20. Let's go ahead and invoke. Now you see the output that is coming now is of type table. Earlier we used it to receive, earlier we used it to return either a string value or a integer value. Now we will be able to return the table types. Okay, so why I am telling this example is, in real time projects we'll go for returning these type of objects, not the integer value, not the text value. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. For more interesting videos and updates about Power BI, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.